So, in this video, I got something cool to show you. So, just stick around and let's see what we got going on.
The next day.
Well, welcome back everybody. It's been a few days since I made a video of an update on really anything. And there's been a reason for that. So, what I'm going to show y'all is actually something that I come up with. This is kind of my own artistic creation. It's not copied out of anybody else. 100% paint. It is not clear coated yet. Just going to give you a little walk around. But Project Phoenix is painted for now. This is all hand done. It's freehand. But what I've done, I just kind of ran with a few different styles and put my own stink on it, like I always do with stuff. I think it turned out pretty cool. It's different. Once it's cleared, it'll be all evened out. But you know, just kind of ran with it as we went along. Another update: our computer is back from Florida, and it still wouldn't run. So what I done, I temporarily hooked the BCM up here to pin 15 on our gray connector on our ECM, which is our serial 2 data wire for the 3800. And basically what I've done, so let me sit y'all down for a minute here, because this hood is not bolted down. It just has a couple of bolts stuck in it and they're finger tight. What I've done, I wired up BCM. I found a wiring diagram for it, and I temporarily wired it to the battery and then to the ECM and to our little key antenna here. Had a lot of people tell me this wasn't a VATS issue. It is absolutely a VATS issue. Because I run this car for like 10 minutes last night. No issue after doing that. So, pretty happy about that too. A little more wiring. I've still not cleaned anything up. Everything's still super dusty. And I'm working on that. Because at this point, since the car is painted, I'm going to clear it with a flat or a matte clear coat. I'm going to put it together. I'm just going to tape it off and clear it then. So, but basically, our mirror's done, our bumper tops are done, and the car's painted. So, I've been kind of working along with little stuff, getting our quarter window rubbers in there and getting our hatch all mounted up. Also, bought my little Suzuki V6 emblems that I pillaged at the junkyard that day. I told you I collect that stuff, and that's reasons why. Because even though this is a Geo Metro, it is basically a Suzuki Swift or a Cultus or a Holden Barina. Just depending on how you wanted to slice it there, or also a Pontiac Firefly. So, basically, I'm putting a car together, and it runs. So, there'll be some real cool stuff in the coming days. I've been kind of holding this a secret. There's a few people I showed it to before I showed y'all, but not very many. But I just wanted something different again. Here it is. It's different, and it's not a copy of anybody's stuff. It's my own deal. So thought it was pretty cool. Actually, kind of looks pretty cool with the bumper ends and stuff stuck on it. I did mock everything up But like I said, I'm putting this car together now, so we got lots of trim stuff and lots of rubbers and door latches and all that good stuff to put together. And obviously I've got to bolt fenders on, and you know, I gotta find all the fender bolts and that stuff. So I'm gonna just keep kind of plugging along. I just didn't want to leave y'all kind of wondering what's going on. I am leaving the inside of the doors in gray primer. Same with the hatch. There's enough gray stuff inside. Inside of our rubbers are gray. Our dash is gray. Let's just run with it. So basically, I've got another goal this year for this car, and we gotta get to 500 subscribers before I can actually do this thing. So what I want to do, I want to go to the No Name Nationals. I want to drive it there. It's about 5.5, 6 hours away from here. In addition, I'm also having my own race, the Battle of the Budget Builders, and it will be there also. But we're going to have a lot of fun with this car this summer. We're going to go to lots of car shows and stuff, and we're just going to float around and see how stuff goes. Might go well, might not. I think it's pretty cool. Hope y'all do too. So let me know down in the comments what you think. And I'm going to change some stuff up on the red car too this year. May get rid of those laser stripes. I've never really been a fan of them anyway. And since it's not a GT, you don't really need them. We can put all the Cobra stuff back on it. Which means I need to put the Cobra grill back in it. So we'll see how that stuff goes, and I don't know. But I'm going to get back busy. But I'm not really going to make an update video other than kind of revealing the paint. And like I said, I'm pretty proud of it. It's all freehand. It's all hand painted, freehand stuff. So until the next time, we'll see you tomorrow.